Your next chapter's name is Adventure is a Way of Life. Today is the last explanation of revision. Then from tomorrow we will start new syllabus. Adventure is a Way of Life. Gurgaon-based Ajit Bajaj and his daughter Diya Bajaj climbed 8,848 meters to become India's first father-daughter due to successfully reach the summit of Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, on 16th May 2018. This chapter is concerned with daughter and father and daughter. That is, they both were living in Gurgaon, and they both climbed near about 8,400 meters top of the Mount Everest. And that Mount Everest was the summit you can say that approached. They have reached there on Mount Everest, and that distance covered 8,848 meters, and date was 16th May 2018, and that is Mount Everest is the world's highest peak in the world. It was Ajit Bajaj, a Padma Shri awardee, and his daughter Diya's first attempt at climbing Mount Everest despite life-threatening challenges, extreme weather conditions, and the arduous nature of the climb. They came back home feeling wonderful and proud. Now here word is written, that is, one name is there, arduous. What is arduous? Arduous is full of difficulties and needing a lot of effort. Meaning already here. Now in the paragraph is concerned with the Ajit Bajaj. Ajit Bajaj is a Padma Shri awardee, means he got Padma Shri award, and his daughter Diya Bajaj also got some award, and they both reached at Mount Everest. They both reached at Mount Everest, and they have covered 8,848 meters, and they have faced so many challenges, they have faced so many difficulties, they have faced so many weather conditions, because on the Mount Everest they have covered 8,848 miles on upside, so definitely weather problem would be there, and they have faced everything. Arduous means they have faced that things that was full of so many difficulties, and after facing these difficulties, when they came back to their home, they felt so much happy, and they felt so much relaxed, and they felt very much proud to be an Indian. Over a decade ago, 53-year-old Ajit Bajaj, who runs a couple of adventure travel companies, became the first Indian to sky to the North Pole and the South Pole within a year. Sky means move over snow on skies. Skies are a pair of long, flat, narrow pieces of wood, boots, and are used for sliding over snow. His elder daughter Diya trained at the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, short form is NIM, in Uttarkashi before she undertook the 20-day Trans-Greenland skiing expedition in 2011. When she was 17, she climbed Mount Elbrus, 5,642 meters, the highest mountain in Europe, in 2012. She is now a graduate in environmental science. The daring father and daughter spoke to ndtv.com on 24th May 2018. Here are experts from the conversation. Now, over a decade ago, means Ajit Bajaj, the age of Ajit Bajaj is 53 years old, and he became the first Indian. He was only the first Indian to reach on the skies. You can say that concerned with the snow, means he is the first Indian person who crossed that snow. Who just reached on the top of the sky, and from where to the North Pole and the South Pole he has suffered, he has cleared, he has reached. And his elder daughter also was covered. His elder daughter, that's name was Diya Bajaj. She also trained, and she got training from Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, and short form of this institute NIM, that was established in Uttarkashi. Uttarkashi is the name of city, and there only she has taken training of this period, this thing. And greening skying expedition in 2011, when she was 17 years old, that time she went that adventure. She crossed that adventure in 2011, and that is of 20 days. Trans Greenland skiing, this is the related to the snow skiing only. Skiing means related to snow. And she climbed Mount Elbrus, that is also the name of ranges of a mountain, and that is near about 5642 miles away. This is also the highest mountain in Europe, right? Not in India, it is in Europe. In 2012 she has crossed, and now she has graduate means she is the not master, before master. Just suppose after 12th graduation will be there, first year, second year, third year. That is concerned with the environmental science, means her subject is environmental science. And the daring means not afraid of anyone. They both are not afraid of anyone, that's why they selected this type of difficult journey in their life. And after that, after completing of their journey, they have given one interview to ndtv.com on 24th May 2018. Now here is the conversation between the interviewer and interviewer and interviewee. What is interviewer? Who is taken the interview, and what is interviewee? Who is giving the interview? Now first, a year-long training. A year-long training. This question is concerned with the training. Ajit said, last year we decided to climb the Everest. Training was super fun. Means that training they were enjoying. We began by working out at gym to get into really good shape. Good shape, we can say that as physically. For good physique, they have enjoyed everything. They have working in the gym also, and they ran and swam together. Both father and daughter both ran together and both swam together as a training period. Then we did an expedition in Ladakh. After training, they got adventurous life. They got adventurous trip in Ladakh. It is a very important topic nowadays. You know about Ladakh. It is a crucial part of India. And in August, 20,500 feet that they have covered in their adventurous life. The idea was to get out and climb together as a father-daughter team before the big climb. Means this idea came in both's mind. That's why they have decided and they have crossed this adventurous trip. Understood?